what's happening right now in MicroCloud HOLOGRAM? Completely insane. What's happening, Enrique?
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Well, we're recording the video is in the positive side, almost 2%. Well, I just said that, and 60%.
Wow.
It's going to the lower side. It's turning into red maybe while we record the video. So, key question. Could this be the 14th consecutive red candle in this daily time frame? And also look at the volume. The bigger the candle, the bigger the volume, and the volume is insane in this selling territory. Also, we have to mention, like in this previous uptrend, the volume had been also insane in the bullish candles. You can clearly see right there. And we also had this gap, which was very, very bullish. But from there, and that key level of 9.36, the price started to drop with a lot of strength, and it hasn't stopped since then. So key question for you guys, do you think, is this an opportunity or is this the continuance of the crash? Let us know in the comments below.
Wow, like after the breakout right here at the top at $6, it started to go down like crazy, you know, breaking every support level. Two key support levels at $4 at 2.42, and right now 1.68, and the last support level, which is 1.26. You know, this is the minimums, yeah, that's the minimum level established back in December 2024. At this speed, anything could happen, obviously, but we are, let's see exactly the percentage away from that, from those lows, minus 25%. It went down completely crazy, you know, it's like completely insane, minus 77%. And this is the risk we are talking about when we trade stocks such as HOLO, you know? And actually, you only had to go to the weekly chart, you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. You see this chart, and it's completely ugly.
Yeah, it has a lot of uptrends right there, you can see, but those movements are more like, imagine this chart would be inverted, and those would be called like crashes, you know, and type of movements to the upside, but sorry, to the lower side, but to continue going higher. So in this case, it's the same in the opposite direction. Are movements to the upper part, but in order to continue the downtrend, at least from what we can see in this past price action. The thing in trading is nothing is for sure. Of course, the situation of this company could change. We don't have the clear answer if this is good or bad. That's why we always start that debate in the comments below, so you can share your opinion about the whole stock. But when you zoom out, as I mentioned, this chart in the past, wow, what a carnage, as you can see right there. Going to the 1 hour time frame to see a smaller perspective, you know, this time frame. You can clearly see in the last video we talked about this pattern right here. The breakout occurred to the upper part. I think it had already occurred, and you can clearly see the strong rejection that happened in the price, you know, at $2.40 more or less. From there, the price started to drop again, maybe creating a different pattern. We have to update it. It could be something like this, the new support. Maybe the breakout already occurred, and this was like a retest right here, or maybe we could redraw this and make different levels again. As usual in trading, a lot of things are subjective, the art of technical analysis in this case. So how do you see the current price action for HOLO stock? Do you think is bullish or bearish? Let us know below.
Yeah, I also am trying to just show you the financials, because it's like we had the financial data a little bit ugly when I was trying to do it. But anyway, here's the chart right here, and you can clearly see here the downtrend, you know, and this is very dramatic. We are talking about semi-annual income statements in 2023, the first semester, you know, minus 4 million, the second one minus 7 million, the first semester of 2024 minus 7, yeah, almost 17 million. So obviously this downtrend is not positive at all, and probably one of the reasons the stock is like underperforming every time, you know. And you can see the costs, you know, if the companies doesn't make profits, it's gonna be very difficult to experience a rebound, you know. At the end of the day, investors pay the bill, you know. I always say that because it is, you know, this is the reality. If it's not making profits out of the business, investors are gonna, you know, pay those losses.
Yeah, so in the past video you had many comments about this stock. Thank you for that. Let us know in the comments below if you changed your opinions or not. Some bullish comments, some forecasts, some bearish comments also. And the interesting thing also, it was one subscriber that commented that they were now expanding to quantum technology. We mean whole stock company. And that could be very interesting, he mentioned. So thank you for that comment right there, and also all the other comments. If you want, we can make a special video talking with you all together, like a live or something like that, you know, with your comments, and you can talk with us live. That could be something great. And in this case, as you mentioned, the quantum technology, we also talked in this channel about different stocks like quantum computing, rigetti computing, and things like that, and other sectors that may be related, like Sound AI or Nvidia maybe. But the thing is, like, that sector is based also on pure hype, at least from what we can see right now, and we saw in those charts also. completely insane in terms of volatility, you know. So maybe this stock could be hyped up again with that sector. But the thing is, like, is that based on reality or just hype? That's a good question that I want to ask you, and you can answer that in the comments below if you have more information about HOLO stock, because we are not experts in that sense.
Yeah, exactly. We don't follow the news, and that's where you enter and you help us to determine exactly what's happening within the company. Leave your comments below, right in the video description of YouTube video, the video that we are watching right now. And we see you in the next video as well.
You're watching us right now, Trading HD. Let's go, honest traders. Share your comments below, hit the like button, and remember to subscribe and check the playlist right here, Trading HD. So we hope that we entertained you and that you learned something new and that you can share more information below so we can all learn together. Let's go, Trading HD, honest traders.